Administrative law is the body of law that governs the activities of the administrative agencies of government. It governs the implementation of public programs, particularly at the point of delivery. The law considers the when and how courts can review the decisions of administrative decision-makers. Administrative bodies impact our lives in ways that you may not obviously know. For example, boards related to hospitals regulate the methods and practices through which doctors can operate. Securities commissions regulate securities trading in the provinces. This protects investors and the integrity of the market. The commissions can impose requirements, provide guidance, regulate compliance, and take enforcement actions. Consumer protection agencies respond to inquiries and complaints from consumers and businesses. Planning boards regulate the locations and types of buildings that can be built, which affects where we work and live. As you can see, administrative decision makers have a massive impact on our lives. Independent administrative decision makers can help depoliticize decisions, ensure that bodies with significant experience are making important decisions, and reduce the need to involve formal courts. Administrative law is generally concerned with substantive review of decisions and with issues of procedural fairness. When administrative decisions are being made, people are entitled to the right to be heard and the right to an independent and impartial decision maker. In many cases, those involved in disputes are entitled to notice and disclosure. In limited circumstances, people will also get an oral hearing, the right to counsel, and the right to call evidence and cross-examine witnesses. These rights will encourage better, more legitimate decisions and will foster public accountability. Administrative law is also concerned with substantive review. The courts will determine what the proper standard of review is, which could be reasonableness or correctness. Then the court will apply this standard of review. Overall, it is important to understand the rights that you, as a person, have when dealing with administrative decision makers. If you're ever dealing with an administrative decision maker, ensure that you have consulted with someone knowledgeable in that area to ensure the best result.